How to really learn 170 irregular English verbs. English Activation Pack. Irregular English verbs. Regular English verbs form the past tense by adding ed. Irregular verbs have past tense forms and past participle forms that you must learn individually. To help you learn them, I've created an irregular verb activation pack containing the 170 most common irregular English verbs which you can get for free at Britlish.com. Let me show you how an activation pack works. Welcome to the Irregular Verb Activator. 10 random exercises designed to activate 170 irregular English verbs. For a new quiz, refresh your browser. Click the Start Quiz button to begin. Sing, sang, sung. Yes, that's right. Hang, hung, hung. Yes, that's right. Dictionary. With 170 irregular English verbs in the Irregular English Verbs Activator, it's quite likely that some of them will be new to you. To help you understand the meanings of all of the verbs included in this pack, I've created a comprehensive dictionary of them. You can download the dictionary as a PDF from the resources link at the top left of this Irregular Verbs Activation Pack, which you can get for free at Britlish.com. Get it free at Britlish. What are you waiting for? Pop over to Britlish.com and get a free membership. When you become a Britlisher, you get a huge welcome pack of free English language learning material to use right away, including this Irregular English Verbs Activation Pack. It costs nothing and you're not obliged to do anything else other than enjoy the wealth of free material that I'm going to give you. I hope to welcome you as a Britlisher soon.